YouTube, what is up? It's been a minute since we've done a vlog. So since Tyler and I both have family obligations this weekend and we can't get out for a ride, we thought we would use this opportunity to have a weekend off to finally get the RJWC tuner installed. So that's what we're gonna do. Come with us.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Got all the stuff. Get this sucker installed. I don't know if some of you guys may not realize, but Tyler's got more than one expensive hobby. The second one is this beautiful machine here. How's it going? Here's the stuff. All right, I'm gonna figure out how to put it in there now.
Pretty easy.
Yeah, so it just goes in line with your fuel injectors, right? So just a connection to your battery. Looks like a connection to your battery and then in line with your fuel injectors, and that's it.
Yeah, just piggybacks off your injectors.
Right. All right, cool. Well, let's get her set up. We talked about it a few times and show you a few videos. I think we even did a video about his car actually last summer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I don't know, like 46 people watched it. Our legion of fans, eh? Thanks for whoever did watch it though. Look, new Assassinators, ready to go on. But in the meantime, man, look at this car, man. What a beauty. And I have personally experienced what it feels like. I'll put the link in the description to the video about the car, because the car actually has nitrous on it. And it's the first time I ever experienced what it feels like to be in a car with nitrous oxide. And let me tell you, it scared the crap out of me, actually. Look, what a beauty, man. I don't know what any of this is, but it looks fast. Wicked. All right, well, now that we've done the tour, let's get into the install here.
Page, they got other settings there. It's basically the same thing as on Tobic tuner.
Oh yeah, right, yeah. Tyler was just saying that the various settings and stuff like that, apparently you can copy the settings off the HMF page, tuner pages. Interesting.
Yeah, clean.
Clean.
I actually cleaned it somewhat.
Yeah, it's hard to clean, man. Alright, so
It makes different front or rear.
as I understand it, it doesn't.
No, it shouldn't.
The instructions said it doesn't matter, right? Okay. Is that one?
Make sure it clicks so it's...
Yeah, it's very important here because you don't want to be, you've seen some of our videos, you see some of the foolishness we get into. You definitely don't want that thing to be out there and getting water in it.
The only hard part is actually plugging it into the injector.
Yeah, guys, and it's almost impossible to really get the camera in to show you here, but you basically just get the idea here. You just got to get it in
Put
there.
our side too.
Oh, okay, heard the click. There's that one.
Basically the same thing for the front cylinder. Probably a bit of mud caked in those there.
Oh, I would think, yeah. Alright, so you can see it just goes in line with the injector, and then the other part just goes
Into your injector.
into the injector. And again, it's kind of impossible to see here, guys. I'll try to get the angle for you, but kind of hard to see.
It'd be easier if you removed shift linkage, but
Yeah. Who does that?
I'm not going at that.
There we go.
I was trying to get inside the harness so it looked tidier, but
Yeah, yeah.
let's lay the battery in so we can get power to it.
Power to it, yeah.
Same time for a new battery again.
Yeah, the battery in those terminals have a tendency to give up the ghost after a while, don't they? Now you're gonna have to put the power on there too, right?
Yep. Around. Pretty simple hookup. So.
Yeah, pretty straightforward. I mean, really, the only pain in the butt part is actually getting at the injector. As far as actually hooking it up, it's not really a whole lot to it.
I'm just going to hook it up now.
Yep.
I'll tidy up the wire.
Tidy up the wire later, yeah.
Later.
So I guess there's no power lead. The power comes from the injector, right? And then it's just the ground on that side. All right.
It comes with a Velcro mount, or you can bolt it on and Velcro it onto the unit.
Yeah, right. A little trick to that I didn't know was that it's not the squishy type of Velcro. You actually got to shove it together, right? I thought the Velcro was broken.
You didn't open it, did you?
And yeah, you should just pull the back part out. Alright, hook up the cable here. So just go through the various menus. The second one looks like.
For now it says 0%.
Yeah. So how do we add?
So it says about 25.
25, yeah. This is just set now, that's it.
Should be able to do the rest of them too, to eat. There's 2. Mm-hmm. 2 is also 25, or setting 2, 1500.
Right, according to the instructions. So I don't know if you can see it on the camera here, but just increasing the fuel up to 25% as recommended in the guide.
The settings for like stage 1 modifications, which is like exhaust, intake, air filter.
Right, standard stuff that most guys out there like us got done. Set that one at 3,000. Then 4,500 is 23%. See here, 4,500 RPM, 23%.
Not 22.9.
No, Tyler, 23.
I guess it's set.
Yep. Turn it on, see what happens. Display comes on. It's going to look a bit weird on the camera because digital displays and cameras always get that kind of weird looking view. So you start it up at 0 RPM, give her a start. Yeah. Running good. So we're just talking about potential installation locations, and you know, like anything, I know RJWC guarantees that it's IP67 waterproof, and I'm sure it is, but in the meantime it doesn't hurt to keep it up high. So I think one of the locations possibly to put it is maybe right here, eh?
Well, you can put the wire in through the snorkel and up through the cable up through there, and
just down through, and with the little mounting thing you got here.
Right. Or even put it off to the side. Or
yeah. Neat though. I think that'll look cool. I really like the idea of it being like a real-time display, you know, and like that's really neat that you could manipulate your settings on the trail. Like I guess you could with the other tuner, but the other tuners are always hidden away, and you know, to get at it and not being able to see a visual display, right?
Well, you can see real-time RPM and
I think
fueling and stuff.
So that seems like the for the El Comandante. I'm assuming we're saying that right. That's like the Newfie way of saying El Comandante. El Comande. I think that that's the real kind of separator between this unit and anything else really on the market right now, is that heads-up display sort of thing that you got here, right? I love the idea of being out on the trail and you're saying, oh, she's running a bit weird, I don't like it. You can just change it right there and then, right, without a big hassle or anything. Yeah. Anyway, all right, let's do it.
So we got the tuner all mounted up, nice and easy to see.